In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move a Google Slides file into a folder in your Google Drive. This simple process helps you stay organized, keeps your workspace tidy, and makes it much easier to find your presentations whenever you need them. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Google Drive homepage. If you are not already signed in, enter your Google account details to access your files. Once you are inside Google Drive, you will see all your stored documents, folders, and presentations arranged in front of you. This is where we will locate the Google Slides file you want to organize. To quickly find your presentation, use the search bar at the top of the screen. Type the name of your Google Slides file and press enter. Drive will show you all related results, making it easy to spot the file you want. Once you see it, click on the file once to select it. When the file is selected, a toolbar will appear across the top of your screen. On this toolbar, look for the Move icon. It resembles a folder with a small arrow pointing into it. Click on this icon to begin moving your file. A window will appear, showing a list of all the folders currently in your Google Drive. This is where you choose where you want to place your presentation. If you already have a folder created for your slides, simply scroll through the list and click on that folder. But if you need a new folder, you can create one right in this window. Look for the New Folder button, usually represented with a folder icon and a plus sign. Click it, type in a name for your new folder, and then create it. After that, select the new folder from the list. Once your desired folder is selected, click the Move button in the bottom right corner of the window. Google Drive will instantly move your presentation to the location you chose. You should see a small confirmation message letting you know that the file has been successfully moved. At this point, your Google Slides file is now neatly stored inside the folder you selected. You can always navigate to that folder through the left-hand menu of Google Drive anytime you need to open or edit your presentation. Organizing files in this way is a great habit to build. Not only does it give your Google Drive a cleaner and more structured layout, but it also saves time when searching for important presentations in the future. Keeping related files together helps maintain a clear workflow, especially if you work with many projects or share your Drive with others. And that is all for this tutorial. You now know how to move Google Slides into a folder in your Google Drive quickly and easily. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.